What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Facebook messages on both sides. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook's Messenger first. So once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and let me just head over to any conversation. So I'm heading over to this one and let me show you I'm sending a message. Suppose a simple hi. So if we want to delete this message from both sides, what we need to do is just to keep tapped on it. And here you will find the option of delete. Tap on delete. And here this layout will arrive in front of you. Here, if you select for delete for everyone, it will be deleted from both sides. But if you select delete for you, then it will be just deleted from your side, not the other person's. So just tap on delete for everyone and the message is deleted from the both sides. So yeah, this is how easy it is to do that. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.